In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the limited ads on YouTube. So this is not going to be some magical glitch, but I'm going to show you what you can do if this right here happens. And it's actually quite easy. So all you need to do is, first of all, make sure that you're not violating any YouTube guidelines, because otherwise you might get in trouble. And the fact that it's limited is then totally correct if you're violating the guidelines. But if you're not violating any guidelines and in your opinion this is not correct, all you need to do is go to the right and then you'll see ad suitability, and then all you need to do is click on request review right here. So that's pretty much all you need to do. Now once you click on this, I'm not going to do it since this video is private anyway, but once you click on that, it's going to go into review. Now what that means is that a human, an actual human and not some robot, is actually going to check out whether your video is suited for ads or not. So like I said, if you did not violate any terms and guidelines, then you should be able to get ads on those videos, and that's how you can fix that. That's what I do all the time if I get a video with limited ads. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.